Have you ever wondered what makes Zen gardens a source of tranquility and peace? These unique spaces blend simplicity, naturalness, and austerity, creating an oasis of calm. Zen gardens are not just about aesthetics, but they also serve a deeper purpose. The origins of Zen gardens take us back to the 6th century Japan. Born from the influence of Zen Buddhism, these gardens evolved as a physical representation of the Zen ideals of simplicity, tranquility, and harmony with nature. Every element, be it rocks symbolizing mountains, sand for flowing water, or plants representing life, carries a deep symbolic meaning. Over time, these gardens transformed from secluded meditation spaces to accessible sources of peace. Over the centuries, Zen gardens have become a symbol of harmony and tranquility. But why are Zen gardens so significant? Zen gardens hold profound philosophical and spiritual significance. They are meticulously designed to embody the Zen philosophy of simplicity and naturalness. Every rock, every plant, every grain of sand is placed with purpose, creating a harmonious balance that mirrors the world around us. But the beauty of these gardens extends beyond their visual appeal. Zen gardens also serve as tranquil spaces for meditation and contemplation. The minimalist design encourages mindfulness, allowing us to clear our minds and focus on the present moment. The tranquility found in a Zen garden invites a deeper connection with our inner selves, fostering clarity, peace, and introspection. So Zen gardens are not just visually appealing, but they also offer a serene space for introspection and meditation. In essence, Zen gardens are a blend of simplicity, naturalness, and tranquility. We've journeyed through their rich history and explored their profound significance. These gardens are more than just beautiful landscapes. They're a testament to the harmonious balance of nature. They invite us to embrace tranquility, inspire creativity, and foster mindfulness. Why not explore this further? Create your own personal oasis of calm. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.